Hi guys, little video from me today with Akrapovic. Why am I here with Akrapovic? Well, the reason for that is prize number 11 in the Lyndon Poskitt Racing competition is an Akrapovic titanium slip-on silencer for your bike. As long as they make one, there is a titanium slip-on silencer coming your way if you win prize number 11. Maybe it looks like this one of these two here. As long as they make one for your bike, that is the prize, plus a bunch of merchandise, so t-shirts, jackets, they've got a load of cool stuff. So that's prize number 11, I'm happy to announce, is an Akrapovic bumper package. Now, remember, first place is this Lyndon Poskitt Racing factory rally adventure bike stood next to me here, custom built by me. Then there's a bunch of other prizes after that, 11 big prizes in total. Please check the description below and the information on the website for all the info on the competition. So it will be drawn in the UK at the ABR Festival on Saturday the 24th of June. That's just a little bit over 3 weeks away, so still plenty of time to get your tickets. Please check the description below and the info on the website for the ticket details, where to get them, how to get them, what to do to enter the competition, and to check out all the prizes. Just to answer a question, I've been asked a lot of questions about, well, do you need to be there to get your prize? No, you don't. You don't need to be there. You can enter from anywhere in the world. Buy your ticket, get involved, and wherever you are in the world, we will ship the prize to you. We'll announce it at the venue. We're hopefully going to do a live video of the draw. We're going to do a random number selection, so the prizes are going to be picked out one after another based on a random number generation, which will refer to your order number of the ticket. And that's how we're going to do it. And we will just read the names out, we'll move on to the next one, and then after that, we will contact every individual and arrange how to get the product, the winning product, to you, whether it be the bike, a titanium slip-on silencer, some MotoX products, or one of the other prizes. That's what we're going to do. So good luck, everyone. Get your tickets. There's still time. And I'm really excited to announce what I'm going to do with the funds, because I've been having a lot of thinking about where I said I would send it to good causes and charities, and I've actually decided that I'm going to do that myself. So I'm going to physically take the proceeds to the places that need it and make sure that that gets invested in the proper ways into where it's needed. So I think that's something that I'm going to share with you at the ABR Festival, how I'm going to do that and where it's going to go. But I think it's really important that the money raised from this whole competition, it's transparent, and where it goes is also transparent for all of us involved, not just me, but for everybody who takes part. So that's it from me. If you haven't got your tickets, go and get your tickets. If you want to get another one, maybe you want to increase your chances, go and get one. And I will see you all at the ABR Festival, or live, if we can do it live, or in the video from the festival announcing the winner of all the prizes. So thanks everyone, have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back soon. Cheers.